Hey you guys, it's Asani Beauty. Thank you so much for choosing my channel. In this video, we will be doing an unboxing of the November Ipsy Glam Box Plus. This is their $25 box, which you get 5 full-size products every month. You get to customize one product, then you get 5 full-size products every month. In this packaging, you also get a nice bag to go with it. So let's go ahead and go through it, you guys. What did we get in our Ipsy Glam bag for November? Let's see what it has to say. So this is the November card that came in it. Okay. Alright. So Wildside, November 2019. This month, dare to step into uncharted territories. Electric lipsticks, passion projects, far-flung destinations. By leaning into the unknown, you just might find the most authentic version of yourself. I definitely like that. So here's what they are giving us for the Glam bag for the month. Is it this cute? Right? You know, this is going in my pocketbook. Organization. This is cute. Right? With the little tassel here. What's the little card? This is the November card that came in it. Okay. Alright. So Wildside, November 2019. This month, dare to step into uncharted territories. Electric lipsticks, passion projects, far-flung destinations. By leaning into the unknown, you just might find the most authentic version of yourself. I definitely like that. So then it gives here a definition of everything. Explore your 5 Glam Bag Plus products. We have the Murad Skin Perfecting Lotion, which I just went over here. This is, the first product is the Murad Skin Perfecting Lotion, which I actually tried today along with another product from October's Glam Bag, which is the Gold Fatten MD Doctor Scrub. I put these two together in my face routine today, and I was very pleased with it. It says here, when you apply Murad products, you know they really work. Founded by dermatologist Dr. Howard Murad, they use high-performance technologies to target your skin's concerns. Made with a honey extract, this hydration lotion soothes redness, great for ipsters with acne-prone skin. Tip: every day after cleansing and toning, massage moisturizer evenly over your face and neck and chest. For optimal results, follow with a facial sunscreen during the day. Already tried it. I really like it. It's light. It's very hydrating. And also, I noticed that my makeup laid on really well when I put this on. Perfecting Lotion. It's on the lowest price. I'm seeing it on Overstock for $29.49. The highest price, I'm seeing it on Macy's for $42. So this is the Murad Skin Perfecting Lotion for $42 at its highest and $29.49 at its lowest. So that's one product. Remember, this bag is only $25, you guys. So I've already gotten the value back. I've already gotten the value back from the bag in just this one product, which I really like. I might actually order this again, but in the event I don't, I have 30 days worth of something that I like. So kudos to Ipsy. I do like this so far. And it doesn't smell too perfumey. Smells good actually. So, oh, another thing that I did today, it was in the October Ipsy bag, Ipsy Glam bag. And you can go back to my October video, which I'll link out here. But I actually did the Gold Fatten MD Scrub, which is in the October bag. And then I followed it up with the Murad Skin Perfecting Lotion. The second thing is the Ciate London Courtney Axe Stamp and Drag Liner. Let's pull that out. And that is this thing here. If you struggle with your cat eye, this double-handed eyeliner created by Ciate London is in collaboration with the drag diva sensation Courtney Axe. Is for you. One side is a foolproof wing stamp while the other is a precisely pointed felt tip. Simply stamp the corners of each eye for symmetrical wings, flip the pen over, then drag and line the pointed tip to create a perfect wing liner. And that's this. It's number 2. And this is your wing tip. And this is your stamp. Watch, it goes like that. All right. Third thing is Gigi Gorgeous Less Than More lip gloss to get into it, and that is lip gloss right here. So we have a full size lip gloss, which I'll definitely be putting this on here. Named for the YouTube personality, author, and activist, Gigi Gorgeous is a limited edition Ipsy exclusive collectible of essentials to get you glowing on your own terms. This shimmery pink gloss contains nourishing vitamin E, so lips feel hydrated all day long. Tip: swipe on 2 coats of this sheer lip gloss for gorgeous glam effect. Layer on top of lipstick for high voltage shine. So definitely have to try this on top of some lipstick. The next item is the Trace Good Vibes Mascara. Here. The Trace Good Vibes Mascara. Made for a life on the go. Trace creates multitasking products that save you time in your routine. And this first ever all-in-one curler and lash enhancing mascara definitely eliminates the need for extras. It adds volume, length, and curl while separating your lashes. Tip: curl your lashes in small sections with the built-in half lash curler. Starting with the outer lashes, flip over to access the mascara and swipe through lashes from root to tip. Okay, so here is your lash curler here. Check this out. You're able to curl some lashes. All right, my lashes are already curly, so this might be a gift to someone who wants a lash curler. Who would like this Trace mascara and lash color? So shopping, it is $25. I see it here. Then I see it for the lowest, like $4, $5 on eBay. So, alright. And so I have to go back and read the reviews on this. This is being resold in a bunch of different places. That'll be interesting too. Okay, so we have a highlighter. And this is by Makeup Geek. And this is the highlighter in Starlight. Makeup Geek. Let's see. Break that baby open. Nice mirror. Ooh. Like that packaging. And of course, I just put my finger in it. I'm always putting my finger in stuff. Dad, blame it. So, I'll just swatch what I already messed up. Let's see how bright that is. Let's see. It's kind of chalky. There it is. I'm going to compare it to something else. I'm going to go ahead and compare. So this is a Makeup Geek highlighter in Starlight. Alright, so I'm going to compare it to something really quick. I guess it's a subtle highlight. Not all of them are the same. It looks kind of chalky, if you ask me. And that was it. That was my unboxing of the November Ipsy Glam Box Plus, which is $25 per month. I'll go ahead and put the link to Ipsy if you want to sign up in the description box. I'll just make it easy for you. Hey, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and also share my videos, guys. I appreciate you watching. And if you don't do anything else today, stay beautiful and love one another. Bye.